Welcome to Educating Talents, a program which will equip teachers with methods how to support talented learners in their classroom. So today we focus on scientific learning, and it is based on methods explained by Professor Kurt Heim in a teacher training activity in Groningen in the Netherlands. For this we need 6 main skills. It is scientific creativity, basic knowledge, divergent thinking, and of course acting, original associations, analytical thinking, and to combine this with subjects like biology and religious instruction. That means also be able to combine different aspects. For this we need flex-based learning. The goals of flex-based learning are that the two aspects of our brain, short and flexi, are combined. Short is for the routine, for the obvious, and flexi is for the new and creative aspects. The goals of ThinkFlex, the first method, is to increase the creativity and the flexibility in thinking. There is the process of asking a question and then individually think about that question and come up with several ideas. Then the next step is brainstorming, and to combine the ideas with others is the exchange in the group work. And finally, you discuss all the findings in the classroom. And then there is the method of the flexperiment. That means, first of all, the pupils are introduced to flex-based thinking, and then they get the theoretical input how experiments work. Then they are confronted with a problem, and by using different experiments they should come up with solutions to the questions asked before. And this can perfectly work in physics or in maths. For instance, if you ask the question, how many solutions are there and how many questions are there that you have the result 8? Or in physics, there is the question, if you have a glass of water and you have to transfer the water to another empty glass, how many possibilities have you got without tipping any water? A further method that was introduced by Professor Heim is the method of clustering. So first you give the students a word like air, and they come up with a lot of associations, like the many gases, then the oxygen, oxidation, and many more. Or you provide the method of stormy clustering. That means the students get a task, a word, and they have to provide within a time span of a minute or 2 minutes as many words that come into their mind, and this is then the cluster to work on furthermore, which expands their vocabulary, which expands their semantic abilities. Within clustering, there's also the method of analyze the product, identify flaws, and then make the product better. This is a method how pupils and learners can come up with a lot of ideas, and the example for this is a fire extinguisher, and pupils have to study how fire extinguishers work, but then they also have to identify whether there are problems involved and how these problems can be solved. So these 3 methods of clustering, of associations, and of analytic thinking were tried out with 3,000 students, and it was found that especially gifted students had a big advance in their achievements. So these methods are really useful for teaching talents and finding talents in the classroom. Thank you for watching. For more information, please turn to our website and also our ebook, which will be published soon. And so goodbye